Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to change DPI settings on your XIAOMI 15T. So let's go to settings, and you have to go to additional settings. Then let's go to accessibility, go to vision section right here at the top and select display size option. So here, as you can see, you have three display options right here at the bottom side of the screen. This is medium, that is set by default, but you can set to smaller one or to larger. So play around with it and decide which one works out for you better. And finally, when you are done, you just have to tap this icon to submit it, and this way you will change your DPI settings. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.